Hi guys, this is Shruti from Shru's Food Styling Vlogs. I love food styling and regularly post on Shru's photo gallery. Today I'm going to walk you through how I'm going to style my subject, Chinese tea eggs. So let's start with arranging our backdrops. So here I'm going to use my grey color backdrop that I have created. And the Chinese tea eggs along with some fresh eggs for variety. So let's start with a wicker basket. I'm going to place some hay on it, as I'm taking inspiration from freshly picked eggs from the farm, and I'm going to have the cracked finish of the Chinese tea eggs in a dark photography setup. So I'm starting out with arranging the eggs in a way that I want. You can see that the light is coming in through my right side. I'm using a variety of colors here, so I'm using some fresh eggs and some Chinese tea eggs which are slightly cracked up, which are slightly opened and slightly shelled to create more texture. And also I'm going to use the shards of the eggshells to complete my composition. Okay, so let's look at how it is looking in photographs now. I'm not so happy with the outcome, and I'm thinking of adding another layer now. So I have this cloth that I can use, which is in the same color range as the TX. So let's start arranging the cloth to be part of the frame. I'm going to arrange the cloth such that it looks like my wicker basket is placed on a cloth, and the folds of the cloth are going to help me capture the light and the dark and add interest to the image. You can see my half opened egg is the one which I want the light to be focused on. So I'm facing it towards the light source, but not completely. And now I'm going to use my black cards to block out the light that is flowing in from other directions. Now you can see that there is a light highlight on the egg that is half open, and I'm now going to capture the images and see how are they looking. Maybe a little bit of last minute changes. Yeah, I'm unhappy with the light, the way the light is being captured by the folds, so I'm going to arrange them a bit. Yeah, and that's it. So we are done. So let's get clicking. I hope you enjoyed this. If you really love watching this, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you again.